Okay, so we are used to moving around by using this window here, pressing the W key. But you'll notice that as I move the the camera around, we've got this little mini camera moving around here. And in fact, we can fly this little mini camera around the lawn and go to different places. Now, this is a way of making movement very, very fast. So, for example, if we played a ball we played it, and we didn't, we just wanted to look to see how close it was to the boundary, we could actually fly this camera over and we could have a nice closer look just by moving this camera on the mini map. Now, of course, we've still got our controls here. We can still play with our controls to move around with the WASD keys. We can still move up and down using the Q and E keys. But we've got this additional little helper here now in the form of this little mini camera. And the way that it works is very simple. We've got a script on this camera which simply is this Minimap move thing. It's got a link to the main camera, and basically on update, if the input's coming from the Minimap, it will translate the Minimap position to the main camera, and if not, then the opposite happens. The position comes from the main camera itself. And these functions here are the same as what we had in the Minimap script. So the clever thing though is this activating it, switching on or off the Minicam active bool. And that's done with a really nice little technique, which is to get uh, the camera on the 2D map. So let's find the camera mini, and we simply have an event trigger. And when the pointer is down, we're triggering the activate function, and when the pointer comes up, we trigger the inactivate function. So pointer down, we do the activate function. There it is. And when the pointer comes back up again, then we're going to inactivate. And that means that the input, whether it's coming from the 3D view or the minimap view, is continually flexible, continually toggling according to whether we're dragging this around or we're moving the camera in this view. So if we were to choose striker to target, then of course it's going to fly over there. If we choose number 6 as our striker, it flies all the way down to number 6, and we can move it around to get a better view of where number 6 is aiming for very, very quickly, quicker than using the WASD keys, because you're not using your hands, you're using the mouse. Potentially useful. See what you think, and we'll maybe talk next time about saving things.